Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you my amazing glowing gherkins. Check this out. So all I'm using in this investigation is my DC power supply. These are little baby cucumber, little gherkins here. And I've got a couple blocks of styrofoam and I've got a couple of carbon files that my DC power supply is hooked up to. And then this is a low pressure sodium lamp. And I want to compare the light from this sodium lamp with the light produced from these little baby gherkins. So the first step is while your DC power supply is off, put each end of your baby cucumber on your carbon file. So this carbon file is about to here, and this one's about to here. So there's just a tiny little gap between them before you turn on your power supply. Okay, now it's time to flip the switch. Oh, I can see a little bit of steam coming out this side. Let's see if it produces a glow. So I like to compare my glowing gherkin with my sodium lamp. And that's because my pickle was soaked in salt water. And sodium chloride has sodium ions in it, just like the sodium in this lamp. And when electricity runs through that pickle, what happens is those sodium ions get excited and their electrons move to an outer energy level. But when they return to their grounded state, each electron releases one photon that has a wavelength of 589 nanometers, and through the light spectrum, that appears to us as the color yellow. Check it out. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.